Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Ninja creami deluxe not powering on. Then here you will see on the Reddit, people spread their opinion regarding this. This is the problem. One people says that we just got our Ninja creami deluxe. After one day of use, however, we encountered an issue. We left the machine plug in overnight and it would not turn on unless we unplug and plug it back in. When it is not working, we press the power button and there is no response. No install LED light. Here in the down, people spread their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that I am having the same issue. I call the company and walk through the troubleshooting steps. They process to tell me the same thing to unplug the machine and plug it back in. It when I wanted to use it. I return the unit to the store to another and the same issue occurred. So I am assume there is going to be an issue with them all. Maybe it's an issue with all of the machines. So you will need to consider this thing. And you will need to go to the official customer support of your Ninja Creamy Deluxe machine. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.